Question number 6. In figure 2, DE parallel to BC. If AD by DB is equal to 3 by 2 and AE is equal to 2.7 centimeter, then EC is equal to, the options are A 2.0 centimeter, B 1.8 centimeter, C 4.0 centimeter, D 2.7 centimeter. Answer. Given DE parallel to BC. Therefore, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, which implies 3 by 2 is equal to 2.7 centimeter by EC. That implies EC is equal to 2 into 2.7 centimeter divided by 3 is equal to 5.4 divided by 3. That implies EC is equal to 1.8 centimeter. Therefore, EC is equal to 1.8 centimeter. Hence, option B is correct answer. Question number 7. The point on the x-axis, which is equidistant from minus 4, 0 and 10, 0 is, the options are A 7, 0, B 5, 0, C 0, 0, D 3, 0. Answer. Let the point on the x-axis is Px0, which is equidistant from A minus 0 and B 10, 0. We have AP is equal to PB. Using distance formula, we get that implies square root of x minus inside the bracket minus 4 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square is equal to square root of 10 minus x whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. Squaring both sides, that implies x plus 4 whole square is equal to 10 minus x whole square. That implies x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 100 minus 20x plus x square. That implies 8x plus 20x is equal to 100 minus 16. That implies 28x is equal to 84. That implies x is equal to 3. Therefore, 3, 0 is equidistant from minus 4, 0 and 10, 0. Hence, option D is correct answer. Question number 8. The center of a circle whose endpoints of a diameter are minus 6, 3 and 6, 4 is, the options are A 8 minus 1, B 4, 7, C 0, 7 by 2, D 4, 7 by 2. Answer. Let center be O, X, Y and endpoints of the diameter be A minus 6, 3 and B 6, 4. Since center is the midpoint of diameter, so which implies x is equal to minus 6 plus 6 divided by 2 and y is equal to 3 plus 4 divided by 2, which implies x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 7 by 2. Therefore, center of the circle is 0, 7 by 2. Hence, option C is correct answer. Question number 9. The pair of linear equations 3x by 2 plus 5y by 3 is equal to 7 and 9x plus 10y is equal to 14. The options are A consistent, B inconsistent, C consistent with one solution, D consistent with many solutions. Answer. Given 3x by 2 plus 5y by 3 is equal to 7 and 9x plus 10y is equal to 14. Here A1 is equal to 3 by 2, B1 is equal to 5 by 3, C1 is equal to 7, A2 is equal to 9, B2 is equal to 10, C2 is equal to 14. Now A1 by A2 is equal to 3 by 2 divided by 9 is equal to 1 by 6. B1 by B2 is equal to 5 by 3 divided by 10 is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, C1 by C2 is equal to 7 by 14 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, we have no solution and hence the pair of linear equation is inconsistent. Hence, option B is correct answer. Question number 10. In figure 3, PQ is tangent to the circle with center at O at the point B. If angle AOB is equal to 100 degree, then angle ABP is equal to, the options are A 50 degree, B 40 degree, C 60 degree, D 80 degree. Answer. In triangle AOB, AO is equal to OB, radius of circle. Therefore, angle OAB is equal to angle OBA is equal to 40 degree. Since PQ is tangent at the point B, angle OBP is equal to 90 degree, which implies angle OBP is equal to angle OBA plus angle ABP, which implies 90 degree is equal to 40 degree plus angle ABP, which implies angle ABP is equal to 90 degree minus 40 degree, which implies ABP is equal to 50 degree. Therefore, angle ABP is equal to 50 degree. Hence, option A is correct answer. A little progress each day adds up to big results. Thanks for watching.